Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Institute MSME DI Jongka Sarkar India hakasi pale kala punlong ya kajing Jinghikai ne ka national seminar nak banta ki Nongseng kam lajong kabolong ha olsin hall silong ya kate ka national seminar lawan man play do chairman ka Megalia Industrial Development Corporation ba redik tando tongkhar bolaban juri pai ba bansim ko bu ya kate ka scheme Jongka Sarkar nak banta banseng kam lajong.
Most of our business entrepreneurs here in the state of Meghalaya, we falls under MSME, but we don't know. And many of the entrepreneurs, they have not registered themselves with MSME. I think you have to agree with me the fact that many business people here in Meghalaya, they have not enrolled themselves because they don't know what is the benefit and who are eligible to enroll themselves in MSME. Those business which is below 10 crores in manufacturing unit are eligible to register themselves in MSME.
Plant and machineries.
Pardon?
Plant and machineries.
Yeah, plant and machineries. And in service sectors, if I'm not wrong, 5 crores. In service sectors up to 5 crores, those projects which is below 5 crores, you are eligible to register under MSME. So if you take that amount, many of the business ventures, many of the entrepreneurship here in Meghalaya, we falls under that category, under that class, and we are eligible to do that, to register under MSME. So I want to dwell little more of my time on the benefit that we will get from MSME by registering ourselves, by enlisting our name with MSME. First and foremost, which is very, very important for us, is to avail loan from bank. The Act, MSME Act 2006, it says that you don't require a collateral security to avail loan from bank. Collateral free loan from bank. Most of the business entrepreneurs, we are worried because we don't have collateral security and our proposal get rejected from bank. But if you are registered under MSME, you don't need the collateral security. That is very, very important. Another important thing is that 1% exemption on interest rate on overdraft. 1% exemption. Another thing is that 50% subsidy for trademark registration. 50% subsidy for trademark registration. And then another thing, eligible for industrial promotion subsidy. And then concession in electricity bill. You see all this benefit, concession in electricity bill. And then reimbursement of ISO certification. And then protection against delayed payments. Very, very important. Protection against delayed payment. And another thing, special consideration on international trade fairs. Special consideration. I think knowing all these benefits, it will enlighten us, it will encourage us that we should register ourselves, we should register our business with MSME.